Today we will learn how you can create your character in Ready Player Me and import into Unreal Engine. Okay, let's go. Okay, so today we will be creating a character with Ready Player Me Studio. So you need to go over this site studio.readyplayerme.sign in. So I've already made an account, so I will just sign in with my account. Okay, so I already signed in. So what I need to do now, I have to go to here, my application. Now, bottom here, you see there is an Unreal Engine. You need to just add application. Then you need to fill the form here. Like just add application name, add your own website, then primary development environment. Today, this will be the Unreal Engine. And after that, you can just explain them what you are going to do. Then you need to press add. I have already done that, so I'll discard changes. So this is how this will look like. So now go here. You will see a subdomain. So you need to click, yeah, click this link. So this will open up a new tab. So this is showing choose an avatar. So we'll be creating a new avatar today. Okay, so we'll be creating from scratch. So yeah, I want a female character. So I want her body shape like, no, yeah, this much is good. Okay, I'll speed up the process. Okay, so I like this character very much, so we'll press next. So, okay, this will create the character and this is asking for the email, so we will continue with our sign up. Okay, so now the important thing, we need to copy over this link. Now we need to open this link in a new tab. So yeah, it will be start downloading. So yeah, it has start downloading. Okay, now we have to import the character into our Unreal Engine. So I'll go over here. Now I'll drag and drop the character here and I'll select the reset selected pipeline. Now import. Okay, so the character is here. So I need to find the skeletal mesh. Where is the skeletal? Yeah, there is a skeletal mesh. You see? And that's how you can create your character in Ready Player Me and import into Unreal Engine.